Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to cover how to solve one-step division equations. Now, when we solve one-step equations, we want to isolate the variable, which means get it by itself. Basically, we want to undo whatever is being done to the variable, that way the variable is by itself on one side of the equation. We do this by using the inverse or opposite operation. Keep in mind, it is very important that whatever is done to one side of the equation, it must be done to the other. That keeps everything balanced and equal. Let's jump into number 1, where we have x divided by 6 equals 7. So, we have a division problem. And to isolate the variable, we have to inverse or opposite the operation we are given. So, instead of dividing, we are going to multiply. So, let me tell you what this x basically means. So, this variable, our x, means something divided by 6 should equal 7. So, we can figure this out by multiplying. So, we are going to multiply 6. No, we are going to multiply this whole thing. So, x divided by 6 times 6. So, let's write it down like this. Times 6. This cancels each other out, because we are dividing by 6 and multiplying by 6, so it cancels each other out. So we can put a stripe to it. So now, because we did it on this side, we have to do it on this side. So we are timesing this by 6 also. 7 times 6 equals 42. So the value of our variable should be 42. Now we can always check this by plugging this in. So instead of the x, we got 42 now. Now, 42 divided by 6 equals 7. So 42 is our correct final answer. So now we have done the first equation, let's go to the second one, where we have our variable m divided by 9 equals 8. So we can see this as something divided by 9 equals 8. So again, we do this by oppositing or inversing our operation. So we are gonna times m. We are multiplying m divided by 9 times 9. This cancels each other out because we are dividing by 9 and multiplying by 9. Now, because we have done it on this side, we have to do it on this side, times 9. So 8 times 9 equals 72. So our variable, which is m, should have a value of 72. And again, to check this, we can just plug it in right here. 72 divided by 9 equals 8. So this shows us that we have the correct answer and our value of our variable is 72. So let's go over to our third example, where we have 10 equals y divided by 5. So, as you guys can see, this is in a bit of a different order, but it's exactly the same thing. We are just isolating the variable again by inversing the operation we are given. So, we are dividing, so we have to multiply. So we are multiplying this whole problem by 5. This cancels each other out again, so we just keep the y. So, now we are multiplying 10 times 5. 10 times 5 equals 50. So our variable should have a value of 50. Again, we can check this by plugging it in right here and dividing this by 5. So 50 divided by 5 equals 10. So this shows us that we do have the correct final answer and the value of our variable equals 50, as you guys can see right here. So let's go over to our last fourth example, where we have 15 equals b divided by 3. Now again, the exactly same thing, we're gonna inverse our operation. So we are multiplying by 3. Multiply by 3. This cancels each other out again, so we are just left with our variable. Now, we have to do the other side by 3 again. So 15 times 3 equals 45. So our variable should have a value of 45. Now, and I'm saying should have a value because we are still going to check this. So let's plug in our 45 at the variable here and divide it by 3. 45 divided by 3 does equal 15, so 45 will be our final answer and our value of our variable. So this was the video, guys, on how to solve one-step equations with division, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave any question in the comments, and this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.